Hello everyone, I am Tanish and welcome to a project FlagForge, a real-time feature flag and remote config engine. Our system infrastructure is containerized using Docker, so running a Docker compose command compiles the backend service, exposes the required ports, and mounts a persistent SQLite database containing our pre-seeded project schemas. The backend is built using FastAPI, which handles both REST queries and streaming connections. So here I have the backend running on port 8000, and here we have our terminal dashboard, which is our management interface, and here is the demo Flutter application which will be used to demonstrate its working. Both applications maintain an active WebSocket connection to the backend service. When navigating between projects using the arrow keys, the terminal UI dynamically pulls corresponding configurations from the backend database. So here let's look at the show special offer flag. The client application here currently displays a promotional banner. So let's toggle this flag. So as you see here, pressing the spacebar in the TUI toggles the state and committing the change to the database, and it streams the frame to the client. So it hit the component immediately without an application reload. The system also evaluates context matching targeting rules. So here the AI recommendation flag is explicitly set to beta users only. So currently here we are set as a regular user, but let's say if we were a beta user, you would immediately see this AI recommendation option available to us. So the engine operates over a structured relational API handling full CRUD operations for projects, flags, and configurations. Let's see our projects. So I had created one demo project, and one is our actual Flutter application demo. We can see what flags are what flags does a project have. So this was the one, promotional top banner and the chatbot. We can also change a remote config. For example, we can see the message here is displayed as welcome to our store. Let's try changing this to welcome back user, and see, it immediately changes. The engine operates over a structured relational API handling full CRUD operations for projects, flags, and configurations. So here is the documentation of our backend. Uh, from here we can see all our projects, and for example, here is a patch route which is hit when we toggle a flag, or this is a put route when we update the flag rule from everyone to, let's say, beta users or X% rollout. This state is persisted inside a root level FlagForge database file. Reviewing the backend source implementation, we utilize SQL module as our object relational mapping layer. To handle live syncing, the server maintains an active memory pool of all connected clients. The moment a user toggles a flag in the terminal UI, the API route handles the SQLite record and, and immediately broadcasts the new configuration payload to every connected device over the open WebSockets. On the client side, the Flutter application listens directly to the stream. So when a new packet arrives, it updates only when the specific widgets tied to that modified configuration key, avoiding an expensive rebuild of the entire application. So here was an overview of my project FlagForge. Thank you for listening.